Hey everyone, it is Lori and I have an unboxing video for you. This is the Woolswap. Now, Dorothy in Minnesota was my Woolswap partner. I will put the details for Woolswap down in the description information below. So we we make arrangements. You subscribe to the Woolswap site, and for each swap there's it happens every 2 months. So you sign up, fill out some information, a little bit of details about who you are, what you like, whether you're a spinner or a weaver or a knitter or a crocheter. Those options are all in there, so you could find a partner with that, with the similar interests, and that way you could swap those types of items. Otherwise, for the most part, it's knitters and crocheters, so just saying, that's the majority of it. I haven't tried to actually do it with a spinner swap. I might for the next one, but anyways, every 2 months I will put the details and the links in the description box below, and I will get to unpacking what Dorothy sent me. Now, I had opened it, but I waited for her to get her package before I really went through mine, so she got hers yesterday. So, and I will link her information below as well, because she also has a YouTube channel where she's been posting some of her knitting adventures. So anyways, here we go. So as I said, this came from Minnesota, and right off the bat, so you typically agree how much you want to swap, because you don't want to swap and say, include 8 skeins of yarn and someone only sends you 2. So you pre-arrange that ahead of time with your swap partner to see how much each of you wants to send. So we had agreed on a couple skeins of yarn and some fiber, since we're both spinners as well. And then there's always extras. So look at this. Because I know she likes tea, I do too, but coffee is my favorite. Wait a minute. Okay, there's a card. All right, so let's see. So, hey Lori, I hope that you are doing well, and that if you are in the summer months that you're having a good time. What are you knitting on? I'm still knitting on my sweater, Spanra pullover. I threw in some goodies from my trip to Portland, Oregon. I hope that you like what I got you, and please share what you make with them. And Dorothy at Woolly Chats. So as I said, I will share her links and contact info, and you can check out her channel as well. So this was the May sign up. So you sign up between the 1st and 15th of the month, and by the end of the month you get your swap details, and then you arrange on an agreed shipping date or time, just because shipping has been crazy internationally or nationally, and you get to choose too if you want to ship nationally or internationally. So that being said, she and I agreed, by the end of June, because she had some vacation. So look at this. Organic and fair trade peace coffee. Birchwood breakfast blend medium roast. And it's already ground. Oh my God. Okay. Can I smell it? I need to smell it. You need smell-o-vision. We need to make smell-o-vision. Someone needs to get on that. Oh crap. It is sealed. But if I pull to open, can I smell it? Because I can, brew some of this up tomorrow. Of course, I'm fighting with the package. Pull to open, and it doesn't want to open, and voila. Oh my God, that smells heavenly. If you're one of those people, not everyone likes coffee, but I know there are people, like my mom is one, who doesn't drink coffee or tea, but she loves the smell of a freshly opened package of coffee, or when it's fresh brewed, she loves the smell of it, but she won't drink it. Okay, so that's package number 1, and now I've got Happy Cup Coffee Roasted by People with Potential Morning Maniac Medium Roast. And this is beans, which is good because I have a grinder. So Morning Maniac, and it's a medium roast, bounds with flavor. It has notes of roasted marshmallows, toasted oats, and cinnamon. Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, I'm not going to put you through the torture of me trying to open this one, but I'll save that. I can't wait to brew up these for my morning coffee. All right, what else? So now we get to the yarny stuff. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Here's the spinning fiber that she sent me. Oh, Once Upon a Corgi. Handmade. I have never seen this brand. Gotta try. Gotta check it out. So I'm assuming Once Upon a Corgi, it might be Corriedale, but let's find out. Winter Rose. It's Cheviot. I don't think I've spun Cheviot yet. Non-superwash, 4 ounces, hand-dyed, yarn, best care, hand-washed, loom, blah, blah, blah. OnceUponACorgi.com. Oh, this is so nice. Cheviot. It's next to Skin Soft, but I can still feel a bit of coarseness for it, so it's not going to, not going to be like spinning silk, so there's going to be some tug to it. It's going to have some grip, but aren't those colors lovely? They're just beautiful. Okay, now onto the yarn. Look at this. Okay, so we have Starlight Knitting Society. That is cute. Love the little knitting bag. So, oh, this actually matches. This matches the fiber. Oh, so what is this one? What is this? I dyed this. It's 100% wool. Oh, so she dyed this herself. That is so nice. I love the colors. It reminds me, if it just had some little flecks of green, and I might be able to incorporate that into a knitted project, then it would really look like peach blossoms. It's got those colors, the peachy pinks and the brown of the bark. It's just beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And then what else have we got here? Something called Loft American Targhee Columbia Wool, Brooklyn Tweed. That is nice. It's a fingering weight, and there's 75 yards. So the gauge is 6 to 8 stitches per inch. Johnson County, WY. Is that Wyoming? Spun in Harrisville, New Hampshire, and dyed in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Okay, so this stuff's been all over. This color is wood smoke. So that's nice too. Oh, that's gonna make, oh, okay, 275 yards. I might be able to get a pair of fingerless mitts, or maybe a hat or a cowl. That would be actually good for a cowl. I think that would have some really excellent stitch definition too. I like the way that one's spun. Okay, and then this one, the Crafty Bird. So we have the Crafty Bird hand-dyed yarns, and this one's called Cherry Blossom. That's cool. 100% superwash merino yarn, Aran weight, merino Aran. So there's 100 grams, 166 meters. This one's squishy and soft. So, well, of course it's merino, so what do you expect? So, but the colors in that focus, the colors are really rich. They're really pretty. All right, and so that is my Woolswap package, which is just perfect. It's not excessive. It's not, scarce, sparse. That is a nice, beautiful haul of fiber and yarn and coffee treats. Oh my God, those are going to last me so long. It's perfect. Thank you so much, Dorothy. You did a wonderful job curating a package for me, and I love everything. And yes, I will definitely post. I will make a note, add these to my Ravelry stash, and I will post the projects and update you on what I make with everything. Again, thank you so much for being my partner. I really enjoyed getting to know you, and I want to definitely keep in touch. So thank you everyone for joining me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.